Have you ever been blindsided by a crypto price move? You check your favorite token, and it's suddenly up 50% or down 30%, and you totally missed the action? In the fast-paced world of crypto, staying on top of price action is non-negotiable. And if you're tracking a coin like Newton, or, more specifically, Newton Protocol with the ticker NEWT, you need reliable sources. Today, we're going to dive into the two crypto investor essentials, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I'll show you exactly how to track NEWT on both platforms, so you never miss a beat. First, let's start with CoinMarketCap. It's the most famous crypto tracking site, and checking the Newton Protocol price is super straightforward. First, head to CoinMarketCap.com. In the search bar at the top, you'll want to type in the name, Newton Protocol. You might also try its ticker, NEWT. Once you see it pop up in the search results, click on it. This takes you to the coin's main page. Here's what you'll find. Right at the top, you get the live price in US dollars. Below that, you can check key stats like the 24-hour trading volume, the current market cap, and the circulating supply. But the real gold is the chart. You can easily switch between 1 day, 7 day, 1 month, and even all-time views to get a full picture of the price history. Scroll down a bit further, and you'll find the Markets tab, which shows you exactly which exchanges you can buy or sell NEWT on. It's a single source of truth for all your price data. Now, let's jump over to CoinGecko, which is a fantastic alternative, offering a slightly different view of the market. Again, head to CoinGecko.com. Just like with CoinMarketCap, you'll use the search bar. Type in Newton Protocol or the ticker NEWT and click the link to go to the main coin page. The layout is very similar. The large chart gives you an instant visual of the price movement. You'll find the market cap and 24-hour volume data right underneath the main price. One thing CoinGecko does really well is list its conversion tables. If you want to know what one Newton Protocol token is worth in Ethereum or Bitcoin, it's all calculated right there for you. Just like CoinMarketCap, you can also scroll down to see the market pairs, showing you all the different exchanges and trading pairs for NEWT. So, to recap the two simple steps for both platforms, 1. Go to the site, and 2. Search for Newton Protocol or NEWT. Using both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko is a smart strategy. It's always good practice to cross-reference data for accuracy and compare the different charting tools. Whether you're a long-term holder or a day trader, these two sites are your best friends for staying informed about Newton Protocol. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.